Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR. Thank you so much for being here. So this is going to be video number 2. This is going to be what I ended up, well, it's my Black Friday box came in and I got it a few days ago and I've been meaning to unbox it with you guys, but I've had other hauls to show you. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it now and I'm excited to see what's inside. I've seen it in the store, but it's really fun to actually get to unbox it and see, I feel like I'm opening up a Christmas present right now. So I'm really excited about it. So anyways, you guys, I hope you're doing amazing. And here is how it came delivered, just like this. I just opened it to see what was inside. So here's actually how, it was interesting how they packaged it. I haven't even taken it out of the box here. Let's see, I'll show you how it came. So very well packaged here. So it looks like this. So yeah, just like that. And really, really cute. Oops. So the box itself is super heavy, so that's probably why they have it like secured in there like that. So anyways, I saw it in the store. So I don't know if I told you the price, but this was $40 with a $40 purchase. So, but it's like I think like $114 worth of product in here if it were bought a la carte. So this is a really, really good deal. Let me go ahead and, yeah, but like I said, this can actually, like they showed in the stores, they broke it up into, like, for example, they have it like in 3 different gift bag sets. So like you can, like I could make 3 gifts out of this, or I mean, more than 3 gifts if I wanted, you know what I mean? So you know what I meant. Sorry, I was not making sense there. So you know what I mean is what I meant to say. So anyways, very, very cute. Give love box, and yeah, I'm excited. So let me go ahead. I know last year I got the Black Friday box and I'm sad that this didn't come with a pocket back holder. Last year I had the Santa hat pocket back holder that came with the give love box, and this year they put the socks in there, so I think that's maybe why they didn't put the pocket back holder in. I'm not sure exactly. So this is, yeah, $114.40 retail price. I'll show you the back. Go ahead and I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but yeah, $114. Okay, so one more look at it before I open it up and this pretty ribbon is gone from it. So, okay, here we go. So, I'm excited. Okay, how do I open it though? I think it opens up. Here we go. So there's like a little like tab in the back. Sorry if it's kind of loud when I'm putting it on my desk here. Okay. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so this is how it looks presentation-wise. This is how it looks presentation. You can see it smells really good, you guys. I'm getting a big scent coming my direction from here. Okay, so I was really wanting to fill these socks. Oh, yes. Okay, so everybody was a lot of people were talking about how soft these are. They are super soft, you guys. They're like almost like a silky feeling to it. There's a lot of little fibers floating around, but yeah, these are real soft. Yes. They feel like, okay, they're like a mixture between like silk and they're stretchy. They're really pretty with the royal polar bear on the front holding a Christmas star. But I love the Barbie pink. Oh yeah, these are gonna be great. And it says wishing you a warm holiday. Shea-infused lounge socks. Okay. Oh, and the back says Bath and Body Works. Look at that, how cute. And they have the little grip on the feet. So I every night after my shower, I put lotion on my feet, and I always put these types of socks on, always. Like not, Bath and Body Works socks because I've never had a pair, but I wear these types of socks every single night to like moisturize my feet. So it's really nice. I'm going to love these. These are going to be like extra pampering for me. So, and they have the polar bear. So each one of them just has the polar bear on either side. And then the inside has both say Bath and Body Works on the inside. Really, really darling. Okay, and the retail value of these, it says $8.95. I wish that they would have sold these separately because these would make great gifts. You know what I mean? So, like, this would be really cute with like a candle or, so many options you could put with this. These are so lovely. I love these. 83% polyamide, 15% polyester, 1% elastic, and 1% other fiber. What's the other fiber? That's got me curious. 1% other fiber. Okay. Anyways, really cute. Okay, moving on. Let's get into this box. Okay. Oh, yeah, Merry Cookie. In fact, Merry Cookie's right behind me right there. I was just smelling this before I started my video tonight. This Merry Cookie, I was like smelling it again. I opened it up. I'm like, that smells so good. So I got another Merry Cookie. Look at how pretty that is. It's so cute. It's got like little gingerbread men and women on there. And oh yeah, this is amazing. Oh yeah, this is definitely like a sugar cookie. It's so, so good. Really, like, it's like you just made cookies, the cookie batter. That's what it smells like, Mary Cookie. Really, really gorgeous. And here is the color of the wax. Love it. Okay. So yeah, that's really nice. Okay. Then, oh, they gave me, getting deeper into the box here, they gave me Mary Cookie pocket back. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. I want to see if it really smells a lot like Mary Cookie, because I don't know if I've seen Mary Cookie in the pocket back at Bath and Body Works. Have I seen it in a pocket back? Have I? I'm like, yeah, that definitely smells like Mary Cookie. Yeah, it's really nice. Yeah, I don't know if I've seen Mary Cookie. I'm like, now that I'm doubting, have I seen it there? Anyways, okay, then Pure Wonder, okay, great. I don't have this in the body lotion yet. I do have it in a couple other collections. I mean, other body care items from them. Like I have the body cream in this, but not the body lotion. So this is normally $15.50. Beautiful scent, you guys. Beautiful scent. Oh yeah, that is so nice. It's a very perfume scent, but I really like it. So, and I like the little like effect they have here on the bottle. It's really pretty. Okay, then I also got Pure Wonder Shower Gel. Excellent. And this is so pretty because it has the glitter around the label there. I love that too. So pretty. Yeah, so $15.50 for that normally. And I love that. And then I got Pure Wonder, the Fine Fragrance Mist. And this is just as beautiful. $15.50 or $17.50. Oh, wow. So this one was more. I've heard people say that it's more like a purple tint. Under my lights, I do see like a little bit of a hue of like purple. It may vary, you know, from fine fragrance, you know, different batches, but this looks a little bit purple. Yeah, it has definitely like kind of a hue to it, but I don't know. It's really pretty though, you guys. I'm glad to have this. I have this in the travel size perfume in my purse, like the, you know, the one in the glass tube. I have that in my purse, and it's very strong in the perfume, you guys. So I like that I have it in a fine fragrance mist. I can layer it up, you know, layer it up. Okay. Okay, so what else do we have in here? Okay, we have 'Tis the Season. Yay, I only have one of these in the hand soaps right now, so I need another one. This is red apple, ground cinnamon, and clove. So, and then let me see the packaging. Yeah, really cute. It's got Santa's sleigh on there with gifts and little stars, little twinkling stars. Really pretty. So we have that. I like the red little pump on the top. Cute, cute. Okay. Yeah, this feels like I'm opening up a Christmas gift for sure. Okay. Then I got, oh yay, Mary Cookie Shea Butter Hand Cream. Perfect. This will go right in my purse. Yes, it definitely will. You know what I'm just thinking about? I just have, you guys, I have like all my like hauls right here from recent visits to Bath and Body Works. And like this is, sorry. This is Mary Cookie right here in the, where is it? Where is it? The Mary Cookie in the, here it is. So this is the body cream. And this is like the must. So this is the Mary Cookie. This is brand new for this season. But this is the, ultra high. Yeah, 24-hour. This is the Shea Butter one. Well, yeah, so that's the difference. Yeah, this is the Shea Butter and this is the body cream. Okay, it had me stumped there for a minute. But yeah. Anyway, so that's the difference between the two packaging. So anyways, really, really cute. I love it. Mary Cookie is such a good scent, you guys. Anyways, let me put my little other haul over here back where, yeah, this is all like, this is some like lotions and stuff from one of my recent hauls. Okay. And there's like another one of lotions right here, you guys. I've been like at the store, as you know, like often, like here's another one. Like, yeah. Anyways, back to the box here. I'm getting sidetracked. Okay. So the last item in here is going to be, I'm so thrilled about, is the candle. I am so thrilled. Okay. So because it's been a while since I've seen the the Give Love box in the store. It's been like a week or so, and I forgot. I thought it was 'Tis the Season in there, but yeah, that's right. It's the perfect Christmas. This is really like, if you think of Christmas time, this is really a candle that reminds me of what Christmas smells like. I don't know if that makes sense, but like, you know, the memories of Christmas, it's like really encompasses that, the perfect Christmas. I have bought this over and over again every Christmas season, the perfect Christmas. It's so nice, so nice. And it's like a Christmas tree scent, and I think there's cinnamon, fresh cut pine, cinnamon sugar, toasted marshmallow. So delicious. Oh my gosh. So it's like, okay, so it's almost like you're walking through like a tree farm, okay? And you get that like Christmas tree scent blowing in the wind. And then you have like, and then you know the smell of those cinnamon pine cones when you walk into like Michael's store, you know, like you get that really strong scent of those cinnamon pine cones. So it's like that mixture, that marriage between the fresh cut pine and those cinnamon pine cones. It's like that same, oh, it's so good, you guys. And there's vanilla, right? Toasted marshmallow. So yeah, that same kind of scent. So it's gotten a sweetness to it. It's so good. So good, you guys. And I love that Christmas red wax. Matches my Christmas sweater, I think, pretty good, right? So anyways, so yeah, you guys, so that's all of that is in the box. And I feel like that's quite a bit that you get for $40. And let me see, let me do something here. So like I said, like I saw in the store, they had it packaged really cute. Like this would be a gift, you know, like that was a gift. And then I think it was, they had this like group together, Merry Cookie together, the pocket back with the single wick with the Ultra Shea hand cream. So these were a gift, and these were a gift with the socks. That's how I think I saw them grouped in the store. So really a really nice, cute idea to really get a lot of stretch out of this box for like Christmas gifts. Anyways, you guys, so yes, that's it for everything I got in my Give Love Black Friday box. I'm so excited about it. I can't wait to start using these products. Like I said, I'll probably start burning the perfect Christmas right now. I'm so excited. I'm going through all my other candles I've been getting from Candle Day. Like I can't wait to burn them all. I'm so excited about those. But definitely, this is definitely a Christmas scent. Of course, I don't, like, even if it's a Christmas scent, I'll burn it all year long. I don't care. You know what I mean? Like I'll burn fresh balsam in like July, you know what I mean? I don't care. So, but like I said, I really want to start burning this in the next week or two for Christmas. So yeah, there's a little thing, yeah, flying around. But yeah, in the next, you know, week or two, I'll start burning this. You guys, Christmas is like what? Today is, what is today? Today is December 5th. So Christmas is 20 days away, you guys. 20 days away. Wow. So all right, you guys, so that concludes this haul. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, I would love if you would subscribe. And my returning family, thank you once again for being here. So with that being said, I will see you guys back here tomorrow with my next haul. So till next time, everybody, take care. God bless you all, and I'll see you real soon. Love you guys. See you soon. Bye.